Hi, today I want to share with you how I repaired this SMPS power supply, which eventually worked, as you can see on my digital voltmeter and the oscilloscope. There are some common causes of SMPS power supply damage: overloading, aging, heat, physical damage, inadequate cooling, environmental factors. And the main cause for this SMPS power supply to get damaged is heat, where power supplies generate heat during operation, and if they become too hot due to poor ventilation or excessive load, it can lead to damage. Normally, an SMPS power supply has three main parts: high voltage section, low voltage section, and the protection circuit. The high voltage section starts with main AC voltage, which is rectified into DC with a high voltage filtering capacitor. After that, there is an oscillator circuit that divides the DC voltage into high frequency pulses to the chopper transformer, which works as a step-down transformer to give out the required DC not filtered yet. Then other capacitors are chosen for the filtration of the output DC. The protection circuit gives feedback to the high voltage part on the oscillator, either to shut down the passage of voltage to the transformer when there is either overload or overheating. Failure of the feedback circuit may lead to components damage, and that is what happened to this SMPS. When I troubleshooted, I found out that the fuse was blown and the capacitor bursted, and we need to replace them. I desoldered these two fault components. I took my old SMPS that I used on PC and found the working capacitor and the fuse. After replacing them, eventually the power supply worked. Results were good on the oscilloscope, but as you know, it is almost impossible to get a very pure DC output signal due to the ESR, equivalent series resistance, from a capacitor that is not new or spent long time in a stock. I hope you found these guides useful and you can follow the same process to fix your power supply as well.